Hello and welcome to Autology Geeks. Today, we are going to unbox an HDFC credit card that is the Diners Club International card. Obviously, we have not turned our channel into a financial influencer kind of a thing. We love technology, and as we mentioned in the last video of unboxing of HDFC's Money Back Plus credit card, you can see that here. We mentioned that credit cards and debit cards are very much interesting technology to work with, right? They make your payment simple. With just one swipe, you are able to make any kind of payments or maybe take those micro loans. That's what the credit cards are for. Today, we are going to unbox the HDFC's Diners Club credit card. Let's see the packaging from the front. So our name and address are mentioned over here. Open up of the world of privileges. So this is the Diners Club Privilege credit card. As soon as you take the card out of the box, as it is a lifetime free credit card, you do not get any kind of other documentation inside the package. All you get is this leaf and your credit card in it. On the front page of the card, you will be able to see your card sticking over here. Your address and everything is here. Your card's number is mentioned over here along with the credit card's limit, right? Here, a lot of things have been mentioned. So the card is specially for dining and entertainment benefits, right? And this card is called HDFC Bank Diners Club Privilege Credit Card. Okay, so what benefits you get? Let's just see it. So you get complimentary Swiggy One membership and Times Front membership when you spend 75,000 in 90 days of the card issuance. Okay, so 15,000 worth of vouchers for Marriott and Decathlon are also given when the spend goes above 1.5 lakhs. There are 5x rewards on Swiggy and Zomato. So if you are an avid food person, you will be able to order it from there. There is also a BOGO offer on weekends for Make My Trip tickets, so you can use that. Let's remove the card and check how it looks. So this is how the card looks. There's a good design going on over here. So once you go in the lights, it looks like this. So there's your name mentioned here. It's a tap and pay card, so you can use it that way as well. And your chip. And this is working on the Diners Club network. So the Diners Club logo is also given over here along with the HDFC Bank logo. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time in a new technology video.